Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video, we are going to take a look how you can create Google Analytics reports in like Google Sheets. Or you can say how you can pull the data from Google Analytics to Google Sheets basically. So let us start the video. So to do this task, we are going to use this extensions and you will find the link of this extensions in the description below. So all you have to do is just go to this link and install and add it on your browser, and then all we have to do is just go to our Google Sheets, and then this is a blank sheet, this is a new sheet that we are going to use and make some report. So we have to click on this extension button, and then you will see this option called GA4 Magic Reports. Then we have to click on this create new report, and it will start working. So it will generate some data like this. This is a basic structure of the report. Then it will show some accounts. So we are going to use this account and it will show you the property. So we are going to use this property only. This is Google Analytic part. And then we have to name this the report. So we are going to name this Canva report. Then we have to select this data range, that the date range that is a data range that we want to see data from to. So we are gonna see the data for the past 1 week. So I'm gonna use this the 2nd of June to 9th of June, that is today date. And then we have to select the metrics and dimensions. So metric is basically the number data. So we are gonna see what are the users, what are the new users basically. And then we want to see the dimensions. Dimension is basically the name, where these users are coming from, and a name. Basically you are giving the name to this number, you are giving name to this matrix basically. Then in the dimension we want to see the base data, so the page path where this the users are coming, ad coming, you can say, the page. And then we are gonna click on this create, and it will generate this report. This is the output report, and from this it will create a report. Then now we have to click on this extension, and then we have to click on this GA4 Magic Report, and then we have to click on this run reports. Now let's wait for some second. So now the status is completed. Now click on this OK, and we have the report here. We got around 506 users. In total it's about around 700 users. So we got 500 users from this page, and this is basic structure report. And what if we want to added this data, now we have the page path that the user coming at this page, and the number of the pages, the page, you can say the number of users we have also. And now I want to see where these users are coming from at this page, data before this page, where they are coming from. So how we can do that and add this actual report in real time? So we have to go to this preview tab, and now we have to click on this. You will see this report report overview in columns. So we have this one report, this is the Canva report, and we have this in single column. So if you create new report, so you will see that data in the another column. And if you see multiple reports, so you will see that data in the multiple columns after this. So now we are going to edit this report. What we are going to do is we want to add the page reference, where the users are coming at this page. So what we are going to do is create on this extension button again. Then we have to click on this GA4 Magic Reports and click on edit report. After this, we have to select the tab that we are going to edit the report at. So we have one report, so we are going to select this and click on this edit button. Now we have the sections where we can edit the things. So this is our previous data that we have selected the previous time. And now add the dimensions, that is basically where the name of the metrics. So now we are going to see where these users are coming from at page. So we are going to use this page referrer. So page referrer we are going to use, and now we are going to click on this save and run button. After clicking on this, it will start like saving the report and updating it in the real time. We don't have to put the manual data in manual, and it will do all of the things automatically. So the status of the report is like completed. Now all we have to do is just click on this OK button and check the report here. And here we have like the data. So we have the page path. This is a page that users are coming at, and this is the page referrer where the users are coming from at this page and how many users are coming. So we have all the data, and this is how you can create the report in like Google Sheets, like basically how you can create Google Analytics report in the Google Sheets in the basically in the simple steps without manually doing things. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, you can consider to like this video, subscribe our channel as well, and I will see you in the next one.